Have you ever seen a machine that looks like a giant vacuum cleaner harvesting vegetables? This isn't for cleaning the field. It's a specialized agricultural machine designed to remove unwanted leaves and improve crop growth. At the front is a large suction opening that moves close to the plants. As the leaves are drawn inside, a sharp blade underneath cuts them. 4 rollers drive the saw blade, while the suction system immediately pulls the cut leaves into the machine and sends them into the rear hopper. But these leaves aren't being harvested for food. After the first growth cycle, the machine removes excess and older leaves so the plant can absorb more nutrients and grow faster and stronger. When the vegetables are fully mature, another machine takes over. It moves through the field and cuts the crops cleanly at the desired height. A sensor at the front automatically detects the height of the leaves, while a high-speed rotating blade cuts them. The harvested vegetables then fall onto a conveyor belt and are transported directly into a collection container. The result is impressive. This automated system can harvest hundreds of kilograms in just 1 hour, dramatically improving efficiency and reducing manual labour. If you enjoy fascinating agricultural machines and amazing technology, subscribe to the channel for more incredible inventions.